Life today is complicated enough. You want your home to be a place where you can relax and enjoy yourself. That's why we give you the flexibility to build your home as smart as you want, with innovative ideas and products that make life easier. Smart home technology allows you to manage or automate smart-enabled devices from a tablet or smartphone, giving you greater control over your new home and how you live in it. Every new home is pre-wired for connectivity and comes with several smart home products and features. Your house comes pre-wired for connectivity and flexibility for all your electronics and smart devices now and in the future. To help ensure connectivity is strong throughout your home, wiring for a Wi-Fi antenna is placed in an optimal location in the ceiling. Enjoy uninterrupted streaming and smooth gaming on large bandwidth devices with a hardwired outlet in one designated room, leaving more Wi-Fi bandwidth for your other devices. Not too cold, not too hot. We've partnered with premium brands like Nest and Honeywell to help homeowners save money. With a smart thermostat, your system learns your schedule for maximum comfort, flexibility, and efficiency. Get front door notifications even when you're not home. Front doorbell cameras from well-known brands like Ring and Nest feature two-way talk, motion detection, and more. And for more customization, select from an array of smart home upgrades like USB outlets, motion switches, smart garage door openers, electric car charging, and smartphone-controlled front door locks that make living easy no matter where you are. Talk to your sales consultant to determine what is available in your area to make your beautiful new home as smart as it can be. Webb Homes, because when your home gets smarter, your life gets easier.